Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me and I'm trying out 3 new products. I recently was in North Carolina for a wedding and I was talking to another fellow makeup enthusiast who recommended a couple of products to me. So I thought I would try them out. You know that I've been on a primer journey, looking for that primer that's going to wow me, the primer that's really going to help my oily skin. And what was recommended to me was this NYX Honeydew Me Up. So we are going to play with this today. We're going to play with the Morphe 2. This is the Hint Skin Tint. We're going to play with this. And the last new product we have is this baby right here. It is called Truth or Bare from Morphe. I have not tried Morphe eyeshadow in years. So this was on sale on the Ulta website. So I picked it up and we're gonna do a nice soft look and we're gonna see what we think about these mattes and shimmers. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. My eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. I will list all the products that I use and discuss in the description box below. So I think we should start with the eyeshadows, considering I don't know what the fallout will be. I don't know how that's going to turn out. So in this palette, there are all the shades. It looks like the shade names are all on this piece of paper. So I'm just going to point when I'm showing you what I'm doing. So I'm thinking just a nice neutral eye look is where we're going to go. I'm going to use my handy dandy profusion brushes that I trust for this look, which is generally the ES2 and the ES6. So I've got a fluffy one and a more pointy one. And looking at these colors, I mean, lots of options. The palette that I had years ago, I ended up decluttering. It was huge and I felt like there were too many duplicate colors. So I'm gonna go in with a nice neutral crease shade, this one right here. It looks like a nice mauvey brown. So we're just gonna go in the crease with that one. I have a couple Morphe brushes that I like. I think they are a teensy bit on the scratchy side, but I do continue to use them. I have a Morphe lip liner that I enjoy. Tell me what products you enjoy from Morphe. I am very curious. This palette was on sale for $12 from, I believe, $20, so we'll see. I just couldn't help myself. What was recommended to me was the 9PN palette, but it was the same price for this bigger one, so Jenny got greedy and wanted the bigger one and hoped that the quality would be the same. But so far, this crease shade looks gorgeous. I mean, I'm taking my time blending it, but I've only gone in a couple times and the doesn't seem like too powdery of a formula. I just realized we did not put this primer on and I want to give it a couple of minutes to set, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in with this Honeydew Me Up primer. Let me read you a little bit of information about it. So I know this has been around for a hot minute and I remember Allie Glines talking about it and I think she liked it, but this says radiance boosting gel primer with a dewy finish on the skin. This face primer provides a base for long lasting makeup wear and creates a luminous finish suitable for all skin types. I used it once while we were at the wedding, and because I was very concerned, you know I have oily skin, I didn't want it to make me greasy, and I did like what it did there, but it's hard to tell when you're at the beach. And it wasn't on all day, obviously, because we were at the beach all day. So I just opened it, just took the seal off, and I mean, it looks kind of gooey in there. But I am just going to put it on my face like so. It has a nice scent. It feels tacky. We're gonna give that a minute to set. But it's not looking, there is a slight glow to my face, but it's nice. It's not shiny, which is what I do not want. Okay, let's go back into that palette. This top corner shade right here looks like a nice mauve, leaning purple. So we're gonna go deeper into the crease with that and just work our way down into that outer corner. Little more powder coming up on this shade. That's pretty typical with the darker shades. I like it. I'm going to go back in with that original crease brush and just go around the edges, make sure that is blended, no additional product. Good. Now there is a deeper shimmer here. Maybe I'll go underneath with that one, but I think for today I want to go here on the upper lid, which looks like a taupe with a little bit of an undertone of purple going on there, if you can see that. I like it. So this shade looks to be a bit lighter. Let me go ahead and swatch that and see what it looks like. Yeah, a bit brighter. Let's put that on the inner corner. Pretty. Okay, now I want to go into this one on the bottom with the sparkles in it. Swatch that for you. Looks like maybe the sparkles go away when you rub it, but nonetheless, that's what we're going to put under the eyes. And because I did see sparkle, I am going to spritz my brush. That one has a lot of powder kick up. I want a little more under there, maybe the shimmer. I'm not sure I'm loving that shimmer. So I'm going back into this darker color up here, which is what we used in the outer corner, and I'm just going to go in with the lightest hand, starting on the outside because that's where I want it deeper, and then just dragging the excess over. Okay, I think that looks nice. The primer does not feel sticky at all. It feels soft and smooth. I like the way it feels. So let's take a break from the eyes and jump in with this Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint, sheer to medium coverage. I'm going to try it with a brush. It is a very thin texture. I mean, it will run down my hand. I'm going to go in with a light layer. I'm going to spread this all over my face. Color match is good. Skin looks good. I did not use all of that product, which is good. My coverage seems to be good. So let's let that settle in for a second because it feels damp to the touch. I want it to set down a little bit before we powder it. Let's put some concealer on. I'm testing this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I think I'm liking it. Foundation's probably set down long enough. Let's go ahead and set it with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder that I have been enjoying with my Tati Blendiful. Okay, let's finish up the face. I'm gonna throw some Juvia's Place bronzer on. Just going with my easy staples. 2 shades, love this. No kick up, no powder everywhere. Lots of product, affordable. I believe they have it at Ulta. I am still online shopping more than I would like to admit. I get a little overwhelmed walking in the store now. It's like I want to categorize everything and organize it, and comment below if you're still shopping online more than anything. We're going to jump in with the Nabla highlighter in the shade Ozone. It's just stunning. Little Juvia's Place blush palette. I think we're going to go a little more pink, because we have a mauve look going on in the eye. This one is pigmented, be careful. But I love that you get a pink and a peach depending on the look you're doing, and if you're neutral you can just go both. Let's throw on some Juvia's Place lip liner. Go ahead and fill them in. I've got my NYX Shine Loud. And while that sets, we will finish the eyes. The little liner and mascara. This is my Essence Extreme Last. Got an e.l.f. combo I've been enjoying, the Lash It Loud and Big Mood. I start with the Lash It Loud for more length and separation, and then go into Big Mood for the volume. Let's just do the Lash It Loud on the bottom lashes. Okay, I want to throw a little highlight on that inner corner. Going back in with the Nabla and a small brush. And then our gloss from our NYX Lash It Loud. I do enjoy these. The gloss wears off and you're just left with the lip color. It's a nice formula. Throw a little setting spray on. This is the Colourpop mattifying. The spritzer is crazy, so I put it on my hand and then use a brush. So first impression of the foundation, I think it looks nice. I think my skin looks smooth. That could be the primer, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. I love the thinness of the foundation. I love that it covered up my problem areas. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. It is very mauve inspired, which is very trending right now. I think it is soft. I think it is romantic. I think it is beautiful. I'm happy. So far so good with the primer and foundation. Eyeshadow, yes, if you can get on Ulta online or if Morphe.com has it on sale, I say grab it. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me. I'm a makeup over 40 mama that just likes to play. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment so that I know that you were here. Let me know what your favorite Morphe products are. I'd like to try more. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.